from Victoria. I recently discovered digital door locks and I'm so glad that we contacted them straight away. We purchased their smart lock and booked the installation service online and they came pretty much straight away. We bought the Samsung SHP-DR708. We just love how sleek and how modern it looks. And the plus is even better is that it is so convenient to use. There are so many ways you can use this and unlock the door. Let me show you how. The first way you can do is use your thumbprint to unlock the door. You can also use a PIN code, which I'm not going to show you mine. You can also use the app on your phone to unlock the door. You can control your door from your phone. How cool is that? And of course you can still use your mechanical key. So if you're planning to improve your home and your lifestyle this year, choose the Samsung digital locks. There are so many options, so just check out digital door locks online. Thank you so much.